Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to add space on Clickup. Maybe you need another space on Clickup, so you want to know on how to add one. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add spaces on Clickups. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, you need to do is to open your Clickup application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed into this home page. You can also see below the notification icon, search icon, and then this dotted icon. To add a space on ClickUp, you need to tap on these three lines at the upper left corner of the screen. And you will see here the home, notification, favorite, spaces, dashboards, and docs. In here, to add the spaces, simply tap on these spaces. And you'll see a add button in here. Simply tap on this plus button icon. And then in here, you need to enter your space name. For example, let's say tutorial. You can also adjust the privacy and then the space settings. After that, tap on this create button. And as you can see, the space is create and you'll see in here. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to create a space on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create a space on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.